brother of mine who is very close to my family. We've come a long way with him. Pastor Segun Olugbemi is a consummate minister of the gospel who has pioneered and pastored several churches within Nigeria in over 30 years of ministry. And prior to his new assignment, he pioneered and presided over 16 churches in different parts of Nigeria. He exercises apostolic and mentoring oversight over several churches and ministries. He has pioneered Bible schools and leadership institutes. I think we will need that for our apostolic school of ministry. Amen. He's an apostle to nations. He's a conference speaker. He's a life coach. He's a motivational speaker. He's a philanthropist and author of several books that are available at Amazon.com. All you need to do is go to Amazon.com and type his name and his books will come up. He's the International Director of Global Transformation Initiative, a multifaceted ministry networking with pastors, churches, ministries, and charity organizations. His mentoring programs include Cutting Edge Network, 21st Century Leadership Network, Obadiah Commission, where leaders and Christian leaders are mentored, renewed, regularly updated, and supported. He's married to Dr. Patricia Olugbemi. They're blessed with 3 biological sons, 1 foster son, and an adopted daughter. And he presently resides in Abuja, Nigeria. We are so honored and so privileged to have you with us. He's not a visitor to this church. He has been here before. Ladies and gentlemen, can you stand up to your feet as we honor and welcome the man of God to the podium. Thank you for coming, sir. God bless.